Amendment. The Fourth Amendment, the right of the people to be secure in their persons, houses, papers, and effects against unreasonable searches and seizures, shall not be violated, and no warrants shall issue but upon probable cause, supported by oath or affirmation, and particularly describing the place to be searched and the persons or things to be seized. List the requirements of the Fourth Amendment. Define the key term warrant and provide exceptions to the warrant requirement. Examine what the remedy is for a defendant when a motion granted to suppress is granted for a Fourth Amendment video violation. Requirements of the Fourth Amendment. No search and seizure without a warrant except in strict cases. Warrant must be issued by an impartial and neutral judge. No warrant can be issued without probable cause. The person, place, and items to be seized must be specifically named in the warrant. The Fourth Amendment is a strict guideline for the issuance of warrants to search and seize persons, placings, and items only on probable cause by an impartial and neutral judge. Each person, place, and item must be named in the warrant. Define the key term warrant and provide exceptions to the warrant requirement. A warrant is a writ issued, especially by a judicial official as a magistrate, authorizing an officer as a sheriff to perform a specified act required for the administration of justice, of arrest, of commitment. Exceptions: consent to search, exigent circumstances, good faith exception. A warrant is issued by a neutral magistrate or judge and is specifically worded to cover who, what, and where precisely in its body. Exceptions to warrants are situations where an arrest or seizure can happen without a warrant. Examine what the remedy is for a defendant when a motion granted to suppress is granted for a Fourth Amendment violation. When a motion granted to suppress evidence is granted for a Fourth Amendment violation, the remedy for the defendant is the federal tort claims law under civil remedies, or a damages remedy, or exclusion of unconstitutionally seized evidence in subsequent criminal trials as the only effective enforcement method. There are several reasons to offer remedy to a defendant, namely the violation of the Fourth Amendment. Federal tort claims law is a civil remedy. A damage remedy happens when injury occurs, not necessarily a physical injury. Exclusion remedy happens when evidence was seized or a person arrested unconstitutionally. References as noted.